Welcome back, Office Executives. In this particular video I'll be showing you in Excel that whenever you are clicking on a particular row and anywhere in that row, in any of the cell, that row gets highlighted. So let me zoom out the screen so that the data is more visible. So whenever I'm clicking inside a row of in any cell, that particular row would get highlighted. So it doesn't matter within that particular row whichever cell I am clicking. So instead of how I did it, so what I'll be doing is that I'll be copying this data, so pressing Control and then click and drag across. So this is a duplicate data, so let me name it duplicate, and from conditional formatting I'll be manage rules, and I'll be deleting the rule which I had applied earlier. Apply. Okay, now let's let me show you how I did it. So after clicking on A1, I'm clicking on G, shift click to select the whole of the column header, and now control shift down arrow so that the whole of the data is being selected. So over this particular data I'll be applying some formatting, and that formatting is something like a new rule, user formula. So I am saying equal to cell within bracket row inverted close of the invited, and then equal to row braces open braces close. So this is the formula. So what I am saying is that this is the formula. So what I am saying is that if row equal to row, within that particular row equal to row, within that particular row, any cell, if I click on any cell, some formatting would be applied, and that format is fill. I can give any color whichever I wish, maybe blue, and then I will be going to the font, and then bold italic, it will be the font style, and the color may be a white one. So OK, and then hit OK. So now let me press OK. So this sheet is working because one more changes is needed to be applied to this particular sheet. So I copied the metadata, the first sheet, and then I copied it for duplicate. I didn't erase that particular code. That is why you have to go to the view code section, and there from general you have to select the worksheet and write this simple write of code within these two the opening of the function and the closing of the function, that is target dot calculate. So whatever is the target, calculate that particular formatting. So if I just delete this to one, and is there any way to delete okay, so VBA project, okay, so Microsoft, this is the sheet duplicate, this one this sheet. So let me view code and let me see if I can. Okay, so no, I am not getting any options to delete this particular VBA code. So maybe I can select all of this and fine. So the code is gone. Let me close it. Now if I click on any cell, it is not getting highlighted. So whatever thing we did from, that is in the home section, I went to conditional formatting and then applied a rule, that is the equal to cell within braces within quotation row equal to row, and applied some formatting. That formatting is not taking up whenever I'm clicking on other rows. So what I need to do is that over duplicate, go to view code. From there I need to select from general to worksheet, and within this opening and closing I need to simply write TA control space bar for the suggestion to pop up tab dot ca calculate. Fine. So tab is to autocomplete whatever suggestion it is showing. Now simply close this one. Now whenever I'm clicking on any of the cell, it is getting highlighted. So I am having 501 record, and it is working pretty smoothly. I am using Excel 2016. So I think if the data set is pretty big enough also, over any computer or laptop, it would work simply fine. So that's all for this particular Excel video, that how to row highlight in Excel. Thank you all guys, and see you other for some other video.